Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome everyone to this Trias update. We're going to quickly give a summary of what happened yesterday. So there was a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt with what was going on with Binance being charged for not having the right measures to stop money laundering, money getting into the wrong hands, bad people using it for awful things. And essentially they were hit with a massive 4.3 billion fine. And in a summary, they'll essentially keep running because over the next 3 years, they're going to be in probation or being watched over to make sure they have the right anti-money laundering measures in place, such as Crypto.com. I noticed over the past month that if you want to send or receive money through Crypto.com, you need to say where the money is coming from, what country it's come from, what exchange it's come from, and the person's name. And if you want to send it out, it's the same thing. The person's name, country, and the exchange that you're sending it to make sure that the money is not getting in the wrong hands, because the US government has stated that unfortunately Binance was allowing money going to awful people, and so they need to have the right measures put in place over the next 3 years, and so they will continue to run. And pretty much is all or nothing burger, but CZ won't be there anymore, but he is a majority owner of the company. Now, why am I telling you all of this? Because we saw dumps across the market yesterday, and now we're starting to see pumps. So in today's update, I'm going to show you all the key levels that Trias needs to hold in order to continue to higher price targets. I'm going to show you those exact targets in today's update as well. So hopefully you do enjoy it. Thank you so much for 7k subscribers. Let's get to 7.5k by the end of this year. It's definitely possible. So please do like, subscribe, comment and share. And I've also got Black Friday discounts at the moment that will last until the end of this month, as we've got Thanksgiving coming up as well. So what are we seeing for Trias? We're seeing that it's come back down to the golden pocket after rejecting this key level of resistance that we've been previously mentioning over the past few weeks, which is this 50-cent psychological level area of $4.50 to $5. By breaking this level, we're looking for continuation higher to these bullish targets between $6.5 and $7.5. So nice gains up ahead, guys, because just to our first target, this would be a 50% gain, and to the $7.50 target, an 88% gain. So very nice gains ahead. We know that it's such a low market cap, this crypto, and all the tokens are circulating. So this just means that we won't ever see inflation on the project, as all the tokens are there in the market for anyone to buy. But also those tokens that are being put into offline wallets, cold wallets, it's going to just make Trias more valuable, as there's less on the market and there won't ever be more than what there is available as of now. So by putting it away into cold storage, in turn making it more scarce. So in order to get this continuation higher, we need to break through this level. But as we are rejecting it, it's vital to hold this key level of support right now that has been marked out over the past 2 weeks of $3.50 to $3.88. Why? Because we've created the reversal wave by pushing through this resistance. And in the past, we can see loads of rejections over here. So in order to get this continuation higher than this high, we cannot now come back down below this and flip it back into resistance. It must now hold as support, as we've created the reversal wave, which then validates these targets. So continue to hold above $3.50. We can see down at the $3.50 mark, just slightly underneath it, the 200 EMA lies there. This is essentially signaling to us that it's the bottom of this uptrend. Every time we bottom out at it, we continue higher. This was a scary moment where we actually lost it as support, looking for a downtrend, but when we came back for the resistances, they didn't hold. It pushed through like butter, so we reclaimed it as support, and now we're looking for a break of this high. All you need to do is continue to hold above the 200 EMA, which is about the 0.5 Fibonacci, also where the reversal wave was created, and you need to, of course, hold it to continue with the reversal wave, which is a suggestion that we will continue to these targets. So a nice potential free trade here on the channel between a 50 and 88% gain. Let me just move this down. Reason why I had it up there is because there's a golden pocket, so in fact it could actually continue a little bit higher, as high as $8.50, but using these sets of fibs, it is targeting the $7.40 mark. Please understand this. So I'm going to now scale to the 5-day time frame just to show you why this is such a key level. As I mentioned on the daily, we need to hold above that 200 daily moving average in order to continue that uptrend. But we know the higher the time frame, the more accurate everything becomes. And so when we scale to the 5-day time frame, we see right over here that this is the 200th 5-day period, because it's 200 EMA over here. It's creating an average, and it's saying that if we're below, we're bearish, above, bullish, just as we saw on the daily, we're above it. So on the 5-day, it's actually acting as resistance. And we know that this is such a key level over here anyway, $4.50 to $5. They're both psychological levels. And so what's also in line with that? What's deciding our longer term trends? So what's below us is the fact that we are entering a bull market. This is the 5-day bullish cross. It's just like it has the same significance as the weekly bullish cross, but it actually comes a little bit earlier. So it's a leading indicator, this. And so all you need to then do is break through the longer term trend indicator. So this is like what's happening in the immediate short term. Hold above this, we're going up, but this is what's keeping us bearish in the long term. So that's why we need to really see a break of resistance to go into full flight mode, essentially. So continue to hold this support. We've also got the shorter term moving averages on the 5-day below us, so keeping us bullish, essentially meaning that it's going to give us opportunities to break out, but can we? That becomes the question. So continue to hold above this golden pocket. We should see this actually give in. Of course, this could as well. So we're ranging between the 2 points. But as we've created the reversal wave, and on the daily have the 200 EMA below us, and on the 5-day having this all below us, the moving averages here, then we are looking to attempt to break out. On the breakout, we're looking for these targets. Of course, if we lose the golden pocket, this is very negative, and I'll have a follow-up update on what's to come next, as we would be invalidating those targets by losing this key level of support and losing the uptrend structure by taking out the 200 EMA. So going forward, it's vital to hold above $3.50 in order to get continuation to $7.40. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share so we can hit 7.5K before the end of this year. And do take action on the Black Friday discounts, because they won't be here forever, and I'm already extending it until the end of this month. So head straight to the website or to my Twitter for more information. Links down below. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter. Links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers, everyone. If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community. Click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them.